joint to palm. Just like Surya Namaskar with the jumping. Okay. Go with me. Long inhale. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Now bend your knee, jump back slowly. Yes. Now just start to Chaturanga Asana. Like, yeah, you can do Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale up in Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Parvat Asana. Push your upper part inside. Inhale, bend your knee, and jump forward smoothly. Yes, leg straight. Inhale up, both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Bend your knee and take support with your hand. Jump back smoothly. Chaturanga Asana. Yes. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale Parvatasana with your breath. It is very effective for your weight loss. Yes. Bend your knee and jump back. Yes. Padhastasana. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Bend your knee, take support with your hand. Jump back. Yes. Chaturanga Asana. Up in Bhujangasana. Up, stretch your body upside. Exhale, Parvatasana. Bend your knee. Yes. Jump forward. Yes. Padhastasana. Inhale, bend back and hold. 5. Hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down, Padhastasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knee, jump back, Dandasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chaturangasana. Yes, very good. 1. Don't drop your body. 2, 3, 4. Madam, niche. 5. Up in Bhujangasana. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knee. Jump forward. Padhastasana. Yes. Close your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Bend back, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Now here. Your both hand sideways, body straight. Take long inhale up, inhale up like this. Come forward. Inhale, right leg back, exhale forward. Okay, do with me. Now, first right leg back. Inhale, right leg back, forward. Inhale back, up, left leg back, forward. Inhale up, back, exhale, come forward. Inhale, back your leg. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, Chaturanga, exhale, yes. Inhale, back, Chandra Namaskar. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, come. Inhale, back, yes. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale, yes. Last one here. Inhale, back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward, please. Back. Inhale, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward, please. Little bit back. Okay, 1 step back. Now bend your knee here. Stretch your both hand here. Long inhale. Inhale, stretch. Come. Exhale, twist your body towards right side like this, please. Look back. Right side here. Inhale, up. Exhale. Don't do movement in your leg. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Look back. Inhale. And exhale other side and hold. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1. Hold here. 2. Madam. 3. Niharika ji. 4. Hand up. 5. Other side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Just shake your leg, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Just relax your body and your breath here. Now, your left leg back here. Come on. Come to left leg back. Okay. Yes. Drop your left knee here. Drop your left knee here and look at me. Inhale, both hand up. Stretch your body up. Exhale, knee straight down like this. Inhale, come with me. Inhale up. Stretch your both hand up. Exhale, knee straight and touch your head with the knee. Keep your leg straight. Inhale up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Slowly, slowly, okay, with the balance. Inhale up. Exhale down. Aram se with the balance, please. Keep your leg straight. Right leg straight here now. Inhale up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Knee straight. Keep your leg straight. Niharika ji. 1, 2. This one. 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now, don't switch please here. Back leg. Parvatasana. Yes. Your left leg forward. Between your feet, please. Yes. And drop your knee. Inhale up. Stretch your slowly. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. आराम से inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And hold please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Knee straight. Please keep your leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your leg straight. 5. Yes. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Now, again, you have to come in Parvatasana. Yes, mountain pose. Now, first lizard pose. Look at me. Right leg forward, towards, close your feet and stay, close your hand up, back, and left leg like this. Okay, come together, please. Parvatasana. Right leg sidewise, please. Right leg forward, touch up. Right leg back, left leg forward, look up. Left leg back, right leg forward, right leg back, left leg, yes, left leg back, right leg back, left leg back, right leg back, left leg, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back. Now look at me, jump your body, bend and jump your body for like this, please, and Malasana. Come, yes, Malasana here. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand. Jump back in mountain pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more moment. Bend your knee. Jump forward. Malasana. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand. Jump back. 1, madam. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come in Bhujangasana like this, please. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, child pose. Yes, hip present down, Niharika ji. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale down in child pose. Come together. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, child pose. Yes. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, child pose. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Yes. Exhale, child pose. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Hold here, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, child pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Up. Like this, please. Cat and camel, please come here. Now inhale, leg up. Exhale, right leg. Exhale, touch your head with the knee. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Very good. Exhale, touch your head with the knee. Inhale up. More up. More up. Exhale down. Very good, Niharika ji. Inhale up. Just try to more close your body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1. Touch your head with the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Switch your leg, please. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Leg up. More up. More up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Tight and tight, tight and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, relax, please. You both leg forward. Long inhale. Exhale now. Inhale up. You both hand up. Look at me here. Exhale forward, please. Inhale up. Exhale first towards the right. Inhale up. Now inhale up here. Up your hand. Exhale first towards the right side. Back. Leg should be straight. Right side down. Kijiye. Inhale up. Yes. Inhale up. Come together. Exhale other side. Yes. Inhale up. exhale forward, inhale up, other side please, right side, inhale up with a breath, exhale forward, inhale up, exhale left side, yes, leg straight, Niharika ji, yes, inhale up, exhale forward, more forward, close your body, inhale up, exhale, yes, more, yes, inhale up, exhale forward, more, yes, inhale up, exhale other side, and hold, leg straight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, exhale forward, and hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, inhale up, exhale other side, 1, 2, 3, more close, try to drop your head, 4, 5, yes, inhale, now, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, engage the core, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes, just lie down on back, just take a rest for a few seconds, long inhale, and exhale, just relax please here, take a long inhale, and exhale, as well as relax please.